Toia Tainui tapotu ki te moana. Mawai e tō, mātātau e tō. Tainui Games 2025 is back. E tiwi, ka hoa ke tātou ki te haere ki te kōrerorero, ki ngā kaimahi, ki ngā kaitautoko, o tēnei kaupapa, nui whakaharahara. Let's go! Hey! Expo 10 Chad, kia ora! What's happening here in your space?
Oh, what's not happening? We've got amazing things happening here. Come and check us out. We've got Tutu Toy, we've got Spartan Warriors, we've got the Kazi Tees, and we've also got these amazing merchandise. So Waikato merchandise, come and check us out. And we've also got these amazing drink bottles so you can reuse them. Come and grab one yourself, so keep your water nice and cool on a hot day like this. But hey, come and check us out. We've got all sorts happening in this space. Free giveaways from some of our partners, so we'll see you here. Kia ora.
Takiritu e te iwi e kia kotahitanga.
Oh, the kaumātua 10.
I vote
Mwah. Auntie Tuanika, what can our kaumātua expect in this space?
We have services here provided by Ngāmiro, from Te Kōhao Health. We've got hearing, we've got it all going on. Cup of tea area, but even though it's hot, come and relax, my whānau. Go through gate 3 for the kaumātua entrance, park at the back, and I'll shuttle you over.
Whapalai!
Kia ora, kia ora.
The Sports Zone, what's new this year?
New zone in Waikato Tainui, he Kohinga Games. We've got Nakawhiti, all those sweaty freaks who like to do strength-based stuff. They'll be here. We've got the catering for the little kids as well, tea, tamariki, and we've got the normal stuff, volleyball, basketball, yuka, where all the cheaters go, all your marae cheats, they sit in the yuka tent. But you got to be here, hopu hopu, this weekend. Again, love.
The main stage. Good.
Yeah.
Taki, what exciting performances do we have happening here?
Oh, we got a lot of the fun up on the weekend. We got Hani Tuturewa coming our way. We got Taser and Friends. We got an ACDC tribute band. We got Leon Whanakura and all the whānau that perform with them. Special guest Jamie Ferguson as usual. Sun and Water, that's our main band for the afternoon on Sunday.
Breakfast in the morning, I will be there for you.
And talent quest that we get our own people. It's going to be looking pretty good whānau, so keep fellas all there.
Te reo Māori is vital, ne?
Ai.
Te konei ki ngā Tainui Games.
Te rā koe.
How can our marae score some points?
Great question, Atawhai. So there are 3 ways that you can earn points for your marae here at Tainui Games with Te Mātangi o Te Reo. Number 1, we have some roaming judges e huri haere ana, e whakarongo ana ki te whakamahinga o Te Reo Māori. Number 2, we've got our real competition. And number 3, you can come on over to our Te Mātangi o Te Reo 10 and play our games and earn some points for your marae. Kia kaha Te Reo Māori.
Providing you're on kaumātua or kuia, we'll look after you. So whānau, somewhere throughout the day, if you need somewhere to get around, look out for one of our golf carts and we'll make sure you get there safely. Kia ora.
Hey! Kai inu time. Jacob, what yummy goodness do we have here on this year's menu?
Plenty of options this year at Tainui Games. We have carousel catering, holding a burger bar and also doing a yummy bunny popo for a sweet treat. notorious Tana's fritters, always delivering up the best Oscar fritters in town. We have yummy Thai food, smashed strawberries, sweet treats and savoury kai all day long for the 2 days, so come on down and get free.
Tamariki Zone. What exciting activities do we have set up here, Whakama? Well, sit back and relax at the whānau. We've got the magic happening right here at the Riki Zone. We've got the pony rides. We've got our enchanted characters. We've got Moana. We've got Spider-Man. We've got Batman. Elsa. We've got the... Oh, of course we have to have the bouncy castle. We've got face painting happening in here. Well, tamariki. We've got colouring books with colouring pencil. So it's all going to be happening here. This is the